Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tay, and I wanted to show y'all real fast how you can go ahead and customize Control Center. And Control Center is gonna stay pretty much stagnant up here at the top where you have your connections like Wi-Fi, AirDrop, Bluetooth, hotspot, cellular data, and airplane mode, and then your music controls, your brightness slider, your volume slider. Those things are always going to be there. Now, when it comes to everything else, you do have the freedom to edit this. And I'm not sure about this, if the screen lock and the do not disturb, if you can edit those out, or the screen mirroring, but I think you can. Definitely you can with the applications down here at the bottom. You have, first of all, you have your flashlight, and you have your calculator, your timer, camera, and home kit. So what you actually want to do is go ahead and hop over into settings, and then settings, you want to scroll down to Control Center. Inside Control Center, you want to do customize controls, and here you can go ahead and move things around using this little 3 hamburger menu on the side. And then if you want to get rid of it, you can just hit the minus sign, and you have so many different options that you can go ahead and move up. And certain apps that you download, of course, are probably going to have the ability. I pretty much have everything stock on this phone, but you can do things like, one of the things I wanted to go over is the screen recording. So go ahead and hit screen recording, and let's get out of there. So if you want to record your screen on your iPhone, maybe you want to share how to do something, or share something you watch, or anything, you can go ahead and press that. It's going to count down, and if we swipe up, now you can see in the top the top right, top left corner, my bad, it's now the time is highlighted in red, and that's going to indicate that it's recording. If you don't have the iPhone 10, your status bar should just be red across the top, and now it's recording. And you can actually have it just record the visuals, or you can have it record the visuals as well as your audio. So let's go ahead and tap on the time, and we can hit stop. Now you can see it will save the photos. This is it right here. And actually, this is it. So it recorded it without any audio. If you do want to record with audio, just go back into Control Center, and then 3D touch this. So 3D touch, and microphone audio is turned off, so we want to go ahead and turn it on. It's going to highlight in red. It's going to say that it's on, and then we can go ahead and start recording. It's going to give you that 3-second countdown, and from here it's just going to be recording everything, and you could just do whatever your heart desires. Go ahead, click on it, stop, go back up here, and now we should have some volume with the video. Well, actually, that's the same one. That was the previous one. And from here, it's just gonna be recording everything, and you can just do whatever. And there you go. Your heart desires. Go ahead, click on it. So let's go ahead and get out of there. And as you guys can hear, the speakers on the iPhone 10 are pretty good. But yeah, that was how you go ahead and customize your Control Center and record on your iPhone. And this works on any iPhone that has iOS 11 or iOS 10. So it's your boy Tay signing out. Peace.